Introduction to Future Scopes in Programming. Alright, let's kick things off by understanding why it's crucial to keep an eye on the future of programming. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, being a programmer isn't just about mastering the tools of today, it's about anticipating the technologies of tomorrow. As industries worldwide undergo digital transformations, the demand for skilled programmers is skyrocketing. From healthcare to finance, from entertainment to agriculture, every sector is leveraging technology to stay competitive and innovative. Now, why does this matter to you? Well, whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your coding journey, staying ahead of the curve is key. In this video, we're going to unravel the mysteries of what lies ahead in the programming realm. Picture this: you're not just a coder, you're a digital architect shaping the future. And to do that effectively, you need to know where technology is headed. Are you excited? Because I sure am. We're going to delve into emerging programming languages, ride the waves of artificial intelligence and machine learning, explore the future of web development, embrace the power of DevOps and automation, and even take a peek into the mind-bending world of quantum computing. But before we dive into the specifics, let me ask you, what programming languages are you currently working with, and what technologies are you most excited about? Drop your answers in the comments below, and let's start a conversation. Your insights might just shape the future of our discussions on this channel. So, buckle up, fellow coders, as we embark on this journey into the future. Our first stop: emerging programming languages.
Stay tuned.